this is the GoPro Hero 4K that I got for Christmas. So, let's see if it's any good. So, all you have to do to turn it on, you see this little button here? All you have to do is hold it for 3 seconds, which is now 1, 2, 3, and it will turn on. Now, it has 4 settings: slow-mo, video, video 3, and photo. Now, the pretty cool thing about this is if you just want to capture it like this, you can press this button and it'll stop recording and start recording, but it's also voice controlled. So if I say, GoPro, start recording, it will start to record. That's actually pretty cool. And then if I say, GoPro, stop recording, it will save the video and stop recording. So that's actually pretty cool. Now if I turn it off, it's the exact same thing, which is just to hold it for 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3. It's powering off. Now, let's put this thing to the side and let's have a look at the accessories. So first of all is a clamp. So with the clamp, you can pull these things back and it will clamp on anything that you want it to do. So for example, I can clamp it onto the car and the GoPro will be on this end and it will record like a car shot. So that's pretty good. But there's even cooler. So if I get this thing as an extending stick, so if I extend the knob, it'll go very, very, very far and very high, which is also good. Now, let's move on to the underwater holder. So this foam, this thing here is a bit of like foam or like soft material, and I can hold it underneath the water and it wouldn't ruin the thing. And I can put the GoPro up there. Then I got an underwater case, so if I want the GoPro to float, you can put it in here and it can float underneath the water. Or will float on top of the water, which is pretty good. Then we've got a selfie stick. So you can use this for 2 things. You can use it for a selfie stick, which is what it's for. And you can extend it fully. So if I extend it fully like that, it's a little selfie stick. But this end is a tripod. So I can stand it up and make it stand. How cool is that? Now, move this one to the side. We've also got a chest strap. Now you put this on your chest and you record a POV of your chest. Or from a POV from your chest, not of your chest. That'd be weird. And yeah, that is pretty good. Now, if you're wondering, Christopher, how do I attach the GoPro onto the accessories? It's actually really easy. So, I grab the GoPro and below here is these little knobby things. We have to pull them up, and then I have to grab one of these things, which fully attaches it onto one of the things. So if I just attach these onto the knobby things in the little holes that they have, like that, then it will perfectly slide in. And to keep it secure, I need a pin, and I need to put the pin through the hole and make sure it's all winded up. So make sure you wind it up and so make it all tight. And then I just finish it, and there we go. That's how you attach your GoPro. Now, if you want to attach it to any accessories, like all of these, like for example, let's just go here, the underwater holding thing. You grab it, and you grab a GoPro. See this little black thing? You push it up because that's stopping it from getting in there, and you get these little knobby things which you can push in and push out. So you grab your underwater thing or any accessory that you want to put in, and you grab the GoPro, and these little knobby things will go through there. So it's pretty hard to do with one hand, so I'll try to do it. And there we go. Now it is attached, and I've got my GoPro on the selfie stick, or not selfie stick, the underwater thing. Now that's pretty cool. And yeah, if you're wondering how to detach it, it's just very easy. You go around and you just find these little knobby things, and you have to either push them in and pull it out, and it'll come out. Now, all these accessories are pretty good, but the least thing that you want is when you want to film a video, your GoPro's dead. So very important to charge it. It is one that I got. It's a USB-C. So yeah, it is very important to charge it because you will have a dead GoPro, and that's what no one wants. So yes, that is pretty cool. And just so you know, GoPro, you are not this is not a sponsored video, but please sponsor me. I'd like to be sponsored for once. And yeah, in this little thingy, to charge it, you have to find this little side and this little tabby thing. Pull it down, and it pops up. And you can pull it up. You have to put an SD card in there on the top, and the charger on the bottom. And yeah, that is actually pretty cool. I really like it. And if you guys are wondering what the GoPro actually looks like, I will put it in right now. Okay, so this is the view of the GoPro. So, pretty cool. This is the camera quality. I actually say it's pretty good. It is, as I said, 4K. And it's on the selfie stick right now. So if I extend it, I can go around like and then if I fold it down and I put it on the tripod, which is now, it is like a little tripod view. So hello, and it's on the tripod. And yeah, this is the GoPro camera view. And as I said, totally not sponsored. And yeah, like, I really love this thing. It is amazing. Perfect Christmas gift. And I will be using it for camping and some other videos. So stick out for those. And it's going to be really, really good. So I'll be using the accessories also in the camping videos, like all of these. And yeah, it's going to be very fun using this thing. Also, forgot to mention this, it is totally waterproof. I think it's up to like 5 meters. So yeah, it is waterproof. That's why it's got a bunch of underwater accessories, like this thingy and this thingy. And yeah, this is the GoPro 4K Hero that I just reviewed, that I got for Christmas. And yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.